This numerical is based on concentration cell. What is the potential of a cell containing two hydrogen electrodes? The negative one in contact with 10 to the power minus 8 molar H plus ion and the positive one in contact with 0.025 molar H plus ion. Negative electrode means anode and positive electrode means cathode. If this concentration is C2 and this concentration is C1, so C2 is greater than C1. So the one with greater concentration of H plus ion acts as the cathode and another one with lower concentration of H plus ion acts as the anode. EMF of the cell will be equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N log concentration of H plus ion at anode divided by concentration of H plus ion at cathode. Now the half cell reactions are, at the anode the reaction will be oxidation reaction, that is half H2 forming H plus 1 electron. At the cathode there will be reduction, that is H plus ion plus 1 electron forming half H2. So value of N is 1. E naught cell will be equal to 0 because both the electrodes are the same electrode, that is hydrogen electrode. H plus ion concentration at the anode is 10 to the power minus 8 moles per liter and H plus ion concentration at cathode is 0.025 moles per liter. So E cell will be equal to 0.0591 by minus 0.0591 by 1 log 10 to the power minus 8 divided by 0.025. Now remove the decimal. This becomes 10 to the power 3 in the numerator, 10 to the power minus 8 and 10 to the power 3. This becomes 10 to the power minus 5. 25 can be written as 5 square. So solving the log, here the log value will be log 10 to the power minus 5 minus 2 log 5. Log 5 square is 2 log 5. Now log 10 to the power minus 5 will be minus 5 and 2 log 5 will be equal to 2 into log 5 will be equal to 1.398. So minus 5 minus 1.398. So this becomes minus 0.0591 multiplied by minus 5 minus 1.398 will be equal to minus 6.398. Solving, the EMF of the cell will be 0.378 volt.